Today we'll discuss few secrets of maintaining not just healthy but brilliantly shiny indoor plant leaves. Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Swati and you're watching Backyard Gardening. So before we jump into the cleaning process, let's briefly talk about why your plant's leaves look dull and they lose their shine. Dust, pollutants, and water stains. They get accumulated, hindering the plant's ability to photosynthesize efficiently. And we have to remove these obstacles so that your plants can breathe properly and they can thrive. So, if you have noticed your green friends looking a bit dull lately, stick around as we will share some simple yet effective tips to give your indoor plants a radiant makeover. Let's get started. So, this is how my plants look every time I shift them outdoors. They gather a lot of dust, and chlorinated water settles down and leaves stains on it. So, here comes my first solution to get back its shine, and believe me, it's the most effective one as well. So, here I'm taking milk and water in equal portion. You can increase the quantity of water if you wish. Mix them together in a spray bottle, and your solution is ready. Now, before spraying it on the plant, start by gently dusting off the leaves with a soft dry cloth or paper napkin. This helps to remove the loose dirt without causing any harm. Now, spray the solution on the leaf, and if you wish, you can leave it as it is for few seconds and then wipe it off gently with the help of some damp cloth or sponge. Let me clean other leaves as well to show you the result with difference. Milk has lactic acid content which acts as a gentle cleaner for leaves. The acid breaks down the dirt while the fat in the milk leaves a soft sheen on the leaves. Do you see the difference? How shiny and sparkling clean it is, isn't it? Coming to the second solution for cleaning the leaves of your indoor plants. Mix some vinegar in water. You can choose lemon juice as well instead of vinegar. Now dip a cloth or a sponge into this solution and wipe off the leaves. But always remember to be gentle on the leaves. And if you see a lot of dirt settled on it, then consider wiping it off before cleaning it with this solution. The results are evident. Coming to the third tip to get back your plant shine, also this way you can prevent them from any kind of infestation or pest attack. So here I am taking water in a spray bottle. Then goes few drops of liquid soap. You can take liquid dishwash also. Then goes some neem oil. Mix it all really well and your spray is ready. Spray it all over the leaves and wipe it off with damp cloth. Coming to the fourth method, it's very effective if you don't get chlorinated water in your area. So give your plants really nice shower at least once a week to clean off all the dust. Also keep your plants outside every time it rains. This will hydrate your plant deeply and leaves will look more fresh and shiny. Coming to the last method, this option is for small leaves plants like money plants or some hanging plants growing indoors where spraying such solution or water is not possible. But they also gather a lot of dust on their leaves. So you can gently wipe off their leaves with some microfiber cloth and they are good. So I hope you find this video helpful. Please do subscribe to my channel for more plant care related videos and I will come up soon with one more interesting video. See you. Happy gardening.